Hello and welcome to Martyn Eade's nature programme. Now, we are in the woods for one specific reason, and this reason is now this dates back before the dinosaurs, before the Jurassic, Triassic, Preassic, whatever Assic there's ever been. This predates it. And this is what every single animal would have fed on before even the dinosaurs, when the dinosaurs got here. And this will grow into a very big pineapple tree. Alright? Let's get on with that now. There we go. In a few months, that'll be this tall, and it'll have pineapples all around it.